Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start our 55 Bel Air up here. Runs nice. Except radio does not work. Blinkers work because I drove it. Horn works. My gauges need some work. I gotta look at them. Neither one of them are working. Like I said, they just got it, so we got to get it into the shop. There's the wipers, they work. Like I said, you can see the dome light back there. They work. And the fan, I thought that. They're stuck here, so the fan isn't working and the controls are kind of stuck. So we'll have to see what we got to do to that. It does have a clock, but of course that does not work either. Clocks didn't work very long back in them old days. Nice and clean, new weather strip. Runs like a watch. My power disc brakes added to it. See, there's your dual horns that work. Headlights. Got like the point system, unless they put that Tektronix in it, but it appears to be the original point system. There's your tail lights and your license plate light. And here got a nice sound, got dual exhaust, so really cool car. So you got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.